Happy 4th of July, y'all. Sorry it's been a while. I've been busy living life. Happy birthday, America. 250 years.
Woo!
Woo, yes. Let's do another cigar unboxing video. I'm back in Miami on vacation and picked up this box of Volition America from Gurkha. Gurkha made them. 13 cigars. I guess from the original 13 colonies. How appropriate. Loving it. Okay, look at this beautiful box. I'm going to turn that into a pedestal. Like you see here, right? Little snapping deco. Alright, check it out. So we've got this. Wow. You see you have 13 beautiful cigars. Alright. Let's crack them open. Fire it up. Let's see. I don't have a cutter, so I'm just going to get this razor sharp knife and just go around it like this. Look at that, perfect. Alright, time to light it. Oh my God, wow. Initial hit. Delicious. A little nutmeg. A little bit of spice, but very smooth. Looks like a maduro. Volition America by Gurkha. Flavor will likely change, of course, as you get down down to the middle and down towards the end, which is what my wife usually likes, the nub. Speaking of which, do you want to try some, sweetie?
Sure. Okay, on this 4th of July day, 250 years of America, we celebrate with an America cigar, probably not made in America, but that's okay. Initial tasting note. Smoky bread.
Smoky bread. Toasty or smoky?
Smoked bread. Like if you took a loaf and put it in the grill and then ate it.
Interesting.
Yeah.
No deli meats this time?
No deli meats this time. Just the top of the sandwich.
Very nice. So I hope you enjoyed that cigar unboxing video, and happy 250th birthday, America. To 250 more.
Woo! Woo!